गाइस वेलकम बैक, इट्स मी सुजीत एंड आप लोग देख रहे हैं सुजीत सवार व्लॉग। बहुत दिन के बाद आई एम बैक। थिंग इज थोड़ा सा काम पे थोड़ा बिजी हो गया था, सो फॉरगेट इट। अभी तो आई एम बैक, आई विल कंटिन्यू डूइंग ऑल द कंटेंट्स बैक अगेन। हाँ आई नो, अब तो आई एम टेलिंग दैट आई एम बैक, आई विल डू कंटेंट्स अगेन बट देख इस बार तो पक्का आई एम गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू डूइंग कंटेंट्स के ऊपर कंटेंट्स। अभी नो क्या पक्का। So yes, now this vlog is something craziest. तो पता है क्या? Today I have given challenge to lot of people. That is Abhishek, Akash Bhaiya, and some more. Okay, in that they are trying to do something which is craziest to them. It might harm, but doesn't matter. They have already agreed they will do this challenge, and also in return I'm giving them a reward. So this challenge is something which they eat. You getting my point? Which they eat. So if they eat, finish it, then they are getting the reward. You can see this is the guy who is going to try the challenge. His name is Abhishek and Tushar Bhaiya, sponsor. And Bharatana, he is also there in the challenge. So he has told I will try, but he should try.
He will definitely try. I am 100% sure. He should try. Definitely should try.
But I didn't tell anybody what is the challenge. Still, I'm going to get that thing, keep it on the table and show them what it is. उसके बाद ही challenge start होगा. But challenge जो भी नाम दिया है, they all are going to sit. Nobody is going to refuse. After seeing that, he has already promised challenge continue करेगा. He is doing it. So let's go. Finally हम लोगों ने टेबल सब सेट कर लिया, तो ये है another challenger. कैसा लग रहा है? पता भी है चैलेंज क्या है?
What is the challenge?
चैलेंज बस मैंने चैलेंज ऐसा है, उसका रिवार्ड्स बोला हूँ.
How much is the reward?
रिवॉर्ड सब कुछ मैं दिखाऊंगा, सब कुछ दिखाऊँ. एंड मैं बस भैया को रिवॉर्ड्स के बारे में बोला हूँ. For that's it. And upon that he has accepted. तो देखेंगे भैया चैलेंज उठाएंगे कि नहीं. पहले तो एक अभिषेक है, इसके बाद एक आकाश भैया है, और आएंगे. मोस्टली रॉकी भैया भी उठा सकते हैं चैलेंज, उठा लिए तो अमेजिंग. ओनली इफ द विन आई कैन गिव, नहीं तो मेरे पास ही रहेगा द रिवॉर्ड. कुछ
Everybody is so curious to know
everybody
the
is so curious
challenge.
to know, but the challenge is very hard. Already I have tried. I think you guys have seen that video. लेकिन अभी तो इन लोग का बारी है. ऑलरेडी सब सेट होने वाला है. छोटा टेबल have kept, chairs लेकर आना है. So that's it. The challenge will start in 5 minutes.
I called.
Finally the table is set.
Please.
फाइनली हम लोगों ने टेबल
I
सेट कर दिया है. चैलेंज को इनके सामने रख दिया.
What is the challenge? What is this?
ये है चैलेंज.
This is the challenge.
Actually, this is not the challenge.
Then what?
This is not the challenge.
Sir,
If it was a challenge, I wouldn't have kept reward for this. The reward is, guys, you want to know the reward? Yeah,
Show me the reward.
the reward.
The YouTuber is here.
The reward.
What is this?
The reward is.
This is sweet. Gulab.
The reward. So the reward is 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees is the reward. So
Along with Anand bhai.
Chikumaya, show me the price.
Reward.
The more you eat, the more you take, right?
yeah, the more you eat, the more you take. Each chilli is 1,000 rupees. Sorry, 500 rupees. Each chilli is 500 rupees. So if they eat each
Someone's
chilli,
really happy.
they're gonna get 500. So the challenge is they are going to eat Naga chili, which is the spiciest chili in India, number 1, and to the world it comes around 7th or 8th place.
Like-
Naga chili from Nagaland.
Like-
I told them to get, and he bought it. So the challenge these two have taken, they are going to do it. How do you guys feel it after hearing the challenge?
We were not knowing about the challenge, but we are extremely excited to eat the chilies.
I don't know this. Never seen the chili before, but let's see. If I will try. I will definitely try.
Eat it firstly. I want to see. Come first.
Directly into the table.
Ta-da!
Dun-dun-dun. Look at the chili, look at the chili. Guys, look at this chili. So I have kept rose milk and water for these people so that they can calm their throats. So this is Naga chili. It is in green. Thank God at least he bought green color, right? So what is the difference between green and red?
Red is very dangerous.
Okay.
More spicy.
Green is?
Green, yeah. Green
Okay.
is just normal.
Okay, okay, got it. So he's on a call, okay. So each person, how much you can eat, costs the reward. You getting it? And you have to wait for 5 minutes after eating. Then you can drink
5
rose
minutes,
milk.
2 minutes. Where is stopwatch?
Stopwatch, we all have kept it. Stopwatch, everything is ready.
Eat, guys. Firstly.
So the challenge starts in 3,
Wait,
2.
wait.
Uh,
पूरा खत्म करके मुंह में आ करके देखो.
yeah, you should be
You can't
chewing. After chewing, you have to show. Chew करके, करके, then swallow. Ready? 3, 2,
Wait.
1.
Let me open this.
Okay, he's already scared.
अरे
guys.
आनंद भाई एक ग्लास लेके आओ ना ग्लास छोटा
Give glass.
भैया दिस इज लेटर. कुछ गिर जाएगा ऊपर देन प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. अच्छा वाला इसको क्यों बिगाड़. उसको बाद में ओपन करेंगे. पहला चैलेंज है. सो गाइस या so Abhishek versus Akash. Both the A's going for the first chili. 3, 2, 1, go. अरे बाप रे. What was this? Go. अरे बाप रे. What? ये क्या था?
We can see the reaction.
पूरा मुंह पे टू. Chew. Keep chewing.
Eat. Abhishek is going fast.
Okay, show me. Agar okay, he has chewed it very well. Okay, he's taking bites on bites. Now you can swallow. Okay, he has gone for the first bite. First chili is over from Abhishek. Okay, Abhishek, I'm going to give you 500 rupees. No, 500. Okay, now Akash bhai, if he finishes and waits for the 5 minutes, then goes for another chili, then he's getting 500.
It was at this moment that nigga knew he fucked up.
Oh my god. Look at his eyes.
Give 500 to Abhishek.
He's not yet finished this chili.
Abhishek is done. Give 500.
He's not yet finished this chili. And where is the... Okay.
Chiku bhaiya,
Yeah.
where is not? Give it to Abhishek.
I've given already.
Okay.
So...
Yeah, Abhishek, come on, you can try one more.
So you're trying to give up?
Akash bhai is giving up
You're trying to give up?
so soon.
Okay. I hope Akash would at least try to finish this 1/2 chili which is there in his hand. Abhishek, no reaction. What, are you serious?
I think
You can go for another one.
dangerous guy.
Abhishek can go for another one. Guys, they are down. They're gone. Finally, they're out. So you want to give up? Do you want to give up? Tell me, you want to give up?
won't give up. Abhishek, take one more.
One last bite. Oh, bapre.
Should I take?
He's ready to eat.
You will get paid one more 500 if you eat.
100%.
Yeah, I told you how much you eat, that much I will be paying you.
Yeah.
Count again.
Count again. What the second? Are you serious?
Dead serious.
Dead serious?
Dead serious.
3, 2, 1. Bapre, this guy is no way a human. He's just half.
Akash bhaiya, please finish that.
Akash bhai, okay, fine.
At
Let us
least, come on,
let us
for
give them
500.
this at least. We are
Yes,
they,
yes.
they are eating this bad chili, so
Yeah.
we'll tell them to drink water. Okay. After drinking, you can eat.
For Abhishek, tomorrow morning.
He's not chewing, he's swallowing directly.
What
No,
what
I
is?
chewed. Can
He
I-
cheered.
Can I
Video
do
पे
one?
भैया, video पे. You can drink. भैया last है.
नहीं
The
होगा।
half chili.
नहीं होगा
हाफ चिल्ली अभी आकाश भैया छोड़ दिया है.
Abhishek खा देंगे.
Okay, half chili is gone. Abhishek ate 2. Okay. Akash bhaiya, how do you say about this challenge? How do you say about this?
Abhishek won
Chili is too
another
spicy.
500.
What do you say? Chili was too spicy.
मुझे पैसा मिलेगा क्या ये
You 500 to him.
He has to
He
wait
won
for
500 again.
He has to wait. Okay. So I am giving another 500 to Abhishek. Woo! So Abhishek has won the match. Look at it. भैया अच्छे से पकड़ो, नीचे गिर जाएगा वो. भाग रहा है. So guys, I want to take a feedback from Abhishek. Let's see what Abhishek says. Spice was?
100% real.
Yeah.
Let's take a picture.
Please
with
don't
Vina.
try at home. I 100% recommend
Yes,
it.
guys.
Don't try it at
Do
home.
not
This
try
is
at
not
home.
a joke. This is
This
serious.
is
Very, very
serious.
deadly
It's-
serious.
It stands in world's 7th place. It is too spicy. Too spicy.
Can you try
Even though if you smell
about
little bit also, you can smell that spice very bad. It hits your head.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah, Akash, we are drinking rose milk already.
And my stomach is reacting right now.
Oh my god.
Best of luck for the
Tomorrow, no office. 100% sure.
tomorrow morning.
How do you say about this chili? What do you say? Tell me the feedback. What do you say? I'm really sorry for this challenge, but
It's too spicy.
it's too spicy. What's happening inside you?
Banging on head.
Somebody's eating your head. My
It's like
god.
Ay, nakre wali.
Art?
Artist.
Artist.
ऊपर से ऊपर से.
कहाँ कहाँ जल रही है अभी? हाँ.
Head
हाँ,
is burning from inside.
okay.
Whole mouth.
Throat?
Have chia seed.
Throat भी pain हो रहा? Oh, sorry, burn हो रहा? And for you? Everything.
I think it's swallowed.
No.
Didn't you? No. इतना जल्दी खत्म कैसे होता है? It's swallowed.
वीडियो पे है देखते
No,
लेकिन
but it's swallowed.
जल्दी बहुत जल्दी he chewed and he swallowed it.
I have
So
a
finally,
solution.
challenge
लेके
is
आना
done.
जो जीता था.
So yes guys, finally challenge is done. I hope you all liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Also don't forget to share the video, and I'll be getting more crazy challenges contents. And meantime, bye bye. Sujit signing.
Inside.
Urgent motion you should.
Bro.
He swallowed. No, he swallowed. That's
No.
why. He swallowed.
It's kicking inside and
Chewed and chewed and
Akash
chewed.
bhaiya. Kicking on him.
Oh my god. पूरा रोस्ट मिल्क इस खत्म. उसको he vomited. Yeah. He vomited. Ayyo.